Welcome all of you in today's discussion journal entries and types of account. I am Dr. Vikas Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Government PG College, Obra, Sonbhadra, Uttar Pradesh. Recording. This is the class of journal entries and types of accounting. Journal is the first part of recording in accounting books. In recording, first, we journalize the business transaction into accounting book. Or if the business nature is large, we maintain books in place of journal in recording. And after journal or books, we maintain ledgers, and it is a classification of recording process. After journal, we maintain ledger, and after books, we also maintain ledger. After ledger, we prepare final account, and between ledger and final account, we can prepare a trial balance also. Journal. Journal means a daily record. In for the books of account, journal means a daily record. A journal contains a daily record of business transaction. Journal is a original entry book or primary entry book. The word journal is derived from French word which means a day. In journal, transaction record chronologically order in debit and credit sense. Chronological order means date wise. In journal, we record transaction date wise. Journal based upon double entry system, that is dual concept. Hence, debit and credit always equal in journal, because double entry system or dual concept says that each debit for every credit. In journal, 5 columns. This is the pro forma of journal. Date, it will be recorded in chronological order. In date column, first we mention year, then month, and then date. Particulars. In particulars, there are separate blocks for transaction, each transaction, and the manner we should record journal: name of the account debited to name of the account credited, and we maintain narration for it. For narration means nature of transaction, for example being business started with cash or being goods purchased. And LF, third column is LF, ledger folio, and fourth amount debit, and fifth amount credit. Journal versus journalizing. Journal is a original entry book or primary entry book. Journalizing is the process of entering or recording the transaction in a journal. A step for journalizing: identify the account involved in particular transaction. Each and every transaction affect two aspects. One is debit and another is credit. First, in journalizing, we identify the both the account involved in particular transaction. Identify the types of account. After that, identify the account involved. We identify the account which type, either personal or real or nominal. Apply the rules of debit and credit for each of the account. There are a separate rule, we can say golden rule for accounting, for personal account, real account, and nominal account. The rule of personal account: debit the receiver and credit the giver. The rule of real account: debit what's come in and credit what goes out. And the rule of nominal account is debit all expenses and losses and credit all income and gains. We apply these rules of debit credit for after identifying the types of account. Identify the account to be debited and account to be credited. After applying the rule, we identify which account we should debit it and which account we should credit it. Classification of account. First, we classify accounts: personal account, impersonal account. Impersonal account further divided into two parts: real account and nominal account. Personal account related to persons. Classification of accounting, three types: personal, real and nominal. In personal account, there are three types of classification further: natural person, artificial personal account and representative personal account. Natural personal means any person created by God. कि भगवान ने जिस पर्सन को बनाया है जो लाइव है, जैसे मिस्टर एक्स, मिस्टर वाई, राम, मोहन, सोहन, गीता, सुनीता, विनीता, these are the example of natural personal account. Artificial personal account means created by law. That is artificial, means created by law. That is Bank of Baroda, Maharashtra Bank, Government PG College Obra. These are the artificial persons, means created by law. And representative personal, they are represent any type of groups or account that is in representative personal account. And in real account also called assets account, there are two types of assets account: tangible real and intangible real. Tangible real means जिसको हम छू सकते, देख सकते, टच कर सकते. These are the tangible real: furniture, building, plant, machinery, cash. These are the tangible real account. And intangible real account, which we only feel, cannot touch, see, like goodwill, patent, trademark, copyright. These are the example of intangible real accounts. Personal account represent a person and group of person with whom business deals. This is the personal account. And real account represent assets and property owned by the business. And nominal account represent expenses, losses, income and gains. Account related to individual human being is called natural personal account. And artificial person account related to organization, association, these are artificial personal account. And representative personal accounts represent a certain person or group of person is called representative personal account. Real account, tangible real means assets which can be seen, touched and felt, and intangible assets which cannot be seen, touched or felt. And nominal account, expenses, losses, income and gain. Created by God, natural personal account. Created by law, artificial personal account. And identify these. First, Manish account. Identify Manish is a person, then it is personal account. Sunil's account is a personal account. Ramesh account is a personal account. Shailendra account is a personal account. And Jay's account is a personal account. Further identify SBI account, State Bank of India account. It is a personal account, artificial person. Sunbeam account. Sunbeam is a group of institution in Varanasi. It is a personal account. MGKVP account, Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapith account is a artificial person account. Ma Vindhyavasini University, Government PG College Obra, these are the example of artificial person account. Bichu Banaras Hindu University account is a artificial person account. Further identify outstanding rent. Outstanding rent is a personal account. Prepaid insurance is a personal account. Accrued interest is a personal account. Outstanding salary, personal account. Next, identify building account. Building is assets, it's a real account. Machinery is assets, it's a real account. Cash, assets is a real account. Goodwill, intangible real account. Furniture, tangible real account. Further identify rent account. Rent, either expense or income, it is a nominal account. Salary, expense for business point of view, it is expense. Commission, either we receive or either paid, it is nominal account. Discount, either we receive or allowed, it is also nominal. Interest, also nominal. Classification of accounting: personal account, real account and nominal account. On the basis of last slide, we classify the account into personal, real and nominal. Identify freight account. Freight is expense, it is a nominal account. Sunil's account, Sunil is a personal account. Ram's account, Ram is personal account. Sudhir account is personal account. Plant is assets, it is real account. SBI account, personal. Sunbeam account, personal. Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth account, personal. Government GPGC account, Government PG College account, personal account. Outstanding rent is personal. Prepaid insurance account is personal. Accrued interest is personal account. Outstanding salary, personal account. Building is assets, real account. Machinery assets, real account. Cash account is assets, real account. And goodwill account is real account. Rent account, nominal account. Salary account, nominal because expense. Commission account, nominal. Discount account, nominal. These are the classification of account, and after classification you can identify each account: personal, real and nominal. Identify, these are the accounts you may identify after we start further. Here the first is capital. Capital is a personal account. Royalty, nominal account because expense. Outstanding rent, personal. Building, real. Tata Industry account is a personal account. Discount account is nominal. Profit and loss is nominal. Machinery account is real. Sona and Sons account is personal. Goodwill account, real. Dividend account, nominal. Cash account, real. Creditors account, personal account. Ramesh and Brothers account is a personal. Commission account is a nominal. Bank account, personal. Debtors account, personal. Outstanding salary, nominal. Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth account is personal. Interest account, nominal. Patent account, real account. Furniture account, real account. Bank account, personal. BSNL account personal, prepaid insurance account personal. These are the identification of different accounts. And further, how to identify step 1. If any problem regarding identification, first, think it is expense, income, gained or loss. Any account you have, for example, salary. Think it is expense, income, gain or loss. So salary is expense for business point of view. You can identify easily it is nominal. Yes, then nominal account. Step next. Any prefix or suffix with expense, income, gain or loss. For example, rent is a expense, that is nominal account, but any prefix like outstanding rent, then it is personal account. Means any prefix or suffix before income, expense, gain or loss, it is personal account. For example, interest. Interest is a expense or gain, it is nominal, but prepaid interest, outstanding interest means any prefix is before nominal account, that it is personal account. And next, in third step, think it is assets or property. If not a income or expense, not a profit and loss, then think it is assets or property. Yes, then it is real account. Otherwise, no, then personal account. Means try to identify first maybe nominal. If not, any prefix or suffix before nominal. Not, then assets or property. Not, then personal. These are the steps of classification of accounting before journalizing of transactions. For example, interest account. Yes, nominal, but any prefix before insurance, that is prepaid. Insurance is nominal, but in prefix prepaid, then it is personal account. Rent outstanding account. Rent is a nominal, but any prefix or suffix added, outstanding, prepaid, accrued, unaccrued, that is personal account. Furniture account. Assets or property. Yes, then it is real account. Capital. Capital is not an expense, not an income, not a gain, and not a property. Then capital is a personal account. Bank is a personal. Debtors is a personal, because debtor is not a nominal, no prefix suffix, and not a property, then it is personal. The session is open for queries. Just a smile without any doubt. Thank you one and all. Thank you.